Hello everyone, welcome to this quick video on how we can compare two data sets, right, using medium and interquartile range. So right, we usually use medium to compare which set of data is greater or smaller, depending on the data set, because sometimes the data set could be like for height, for weight, for blood pressure even. Okay, we use interquartile range when we want to compare the spread or the consistency of that data. Is there a very big or great variation, or are they evenly distributed? Because then we would know whether that particular set of data is very consistent or not, or closely clustered among some around the medium, somewhere along that line. Okay, so this one is talking about the variation. Is it smaller or greater? And here is one standard phrasing that we usually use. So if you want to use for medium to compare medium, right, then we will usually start with generally or on average. Depending on the question, it could be the length and marks, the mass, whatever the context of the question is. For the first data set is greater or smaller than that of group 2 as the medium. Then please put a bracket to quote the value that is calculated. For this group 1 is greater or smaller than that of group 2. Again, quote the value calculated. If we compare interquartile range, then we are actually talking about whether the context of that question, that data, have greater or smaller spread or variation, because the interquartile range, and please quote the value that is calculated, of group 1 is greater or smaller than that of group 2. Just quote the value calculated. Okay? Or if you want to talk about consistency, more consistent or less consistent, that will be the word to use. Okay? So with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.